Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we got an install where we're doing a Samsung 55-inch frame on a new mantle that we actually installed, and then we're also adding a SONOS arc underneath. We're actually going to put the SONOS arc on the mantle, and then we'll have a few inches above, because I know how you guys want to make sure that SONOS arc is not right underneath the TV. We realize there's Atmos speakers on it, so that will block it, so we have a few inches of space underneath it, and everybody always asks, now where do you put the power? Well, let me show you on the wall. We had our electrician come in. We have this full 17-inch enclosure. And the reason for this, guys, for those of you who don't know, when we're dealing with a Samsung frame TV, there's no inputs or power on the TV itself. Let me show you. There's this big 13.5-inch one connect box. On the back of this is all the inputs. See that? All the inputs and the power for the TV. So there's a proprietary cable going from the TV to this box. So you have to hide this box somewhere. So, and that cable is only so long that goes from the TV to this box. I want to say, what is it, 10 foot? I don't remember exactly. Don't quote me on it. But it's around 10, 12 feet long. But in most cases, it's not going to reach probably where you want to put this one connect. So we're doing only streaming on this TV and an off-air antenna. So we have this one enclosure. So this will actually go in the enclosure. And then we have, if you can see that, we have power in there. And then we have a hole at the bottom where we're going to bring in cables. So it'll be a nice, clean fit and finish. Now, also, the new 55-inch TV. I don't know why you changed the mount, Samsung, but you did. But the mount is like this now. It's a split mount. And it's only a 55-inch TV. But we have a split mount with different hangers. And let me turn the camera around so you can see this TV. And they split the hangers on the TV itself all the way across instead of in the middle. If you guys remember on the old style, it was in the middle of the TV. Now they're left and right and separated. Not sure why you guys did that, Samsung. But anyway, because you're going to hit one stud, and these aren't 16 inches long, so you're not going to hit another stud, so you have to put wall anchors in. So anyway, guys, stay with us. We can't wait to show you guys this is all done. Should look super nice when we're all done. Clean, fit, and finish. So see you guys in a little bit.
Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we are just now finishing up this Samsung frame TV behind me here. As you take a look, we have it all on the wall. We got the SONOS playing. I'm gonna go ahead and kick it up a notch for a second. And with that being said, it does have touch controls here on the front that you can operate volume up and down. Like always though, it's Sonos, you have that app. But with it being controlled through ARC, let me go ahead and you can actually control it via the remote. So you got the remote here and you're watching TV. You don't have to pull out the app to volume up and you'll be set. And in the other room, we did the Sonos beam. And they already have a Samsung TV. So here, let's go take a look at this beam in here. And this is part of the whole Sonos ecosystem. And you can push the buttons on this one. Has play, pause, volume up and down. Has microphone built in for capabilities for Alexa and Google Control. And let's say you're in the bathroom, closet, getting ready. You always want some speakers and tunes in here. So what we did is we did an in-ceiling widget, if you can see it up there. Basically, it's a Sonos Play 1 SL, and it has a microphone built in, so you can use Alexa with it as well. And it is in the bathroom, in the ceiling, to look like a regular in-ceiling speaker. So with that being said, you have all of the control and usability through the Sonos app to be able to go from one room to room and listen to the same thing. So we have that playing in there. And the same thing playing in here. It's just not as loud, but it's on. You do have volume control for each individual zone with Sonos. Seeing as how it's all separated. And with that being said, you can do multiple streams in the house. So say you have a sound bar here, you can stream music in here. You have the sound bar in here, you can stream whatever music you want over there on that. Let's say you're in the shower or something, you want to listen to something different than the rest of the house is listening to. You have a third stream there. So remember, with every Sonos piece, that's also a stream that you can stream something else. You guys remember to like and subscribe down below. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time.